Mastering the art of the quick save in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the phrase, quick save. Whether you're a gamer, a computer buff, or just love picking up new English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The term, quick save, has its roots in the world of video gaming. It refers to the action of saving your game progress swiftly, often with a simple key press, so you can return to that point without losing any progress. It's a lifeline for gamers, but it's also sneaked its way into everyday English. Beyond the digital realm, quick save has become a metaphor for taking a precautionary step quickly. It could mean jotting down an important note before you forget it or double-checking your presentation one last time before the meeting. It's all about the quick action to avoid future trouble. Now, let's put quick save into action. Imagine you're working on an important document, and you say, "Let me do a quick save before we lose any changes." Here, it means to save your work promptly to prevent data loss. This phrase has been popularized in memes and online culture too. It's often used humorously to suggest someone is trying to preserve a moment or avoid an impending blunder. For example, he did a quick save by screenshotting the chat before it was deleted. And that's a wrap on quick save. We hope this quick guide helps you understand and use the phrase like a pro. Remember, it's all about taking swift action to safeguard your progress or efforts. Keep practicing, and you'll be quick saving in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.